Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Testing Instinct. In this video, I will be discussing about GraphQL subscription type. Here I have given description about GraphQL subscription and difference between subscription, mutation and query type as well. So I am going to read out the content which I have written here. In today's digital landscape where user expectations for real-time interactions continue to soar, GraphQL subscriptions provide a crucial link between conventional APIs and instantaneous data updates. GraphQL subscriptions are designed to facilitate a real-time data exchange between clients and servers. They allow developers to create applications that deliver live updates seamlessly, catering to the growing demand for dynamic content. A GraphQL subscription typically resembles a regular query, but it is defined with the subscription keyword instead of the query or mutation keywords. So GraphQL subscription are designed for real-time data exchange between clients and servers. They allow developers to create applications that will be delivering live updates seamlessly, so that we can cover the growing demand for dynamic content. So in case of GraphQL subscription, the subscription typically resembles similar to that of a query, but the difference is the keyword used is different from query or mutation. So the keyword used here will be subscription. So here I have given an example for a sample subscription. This is the endpoint. So we will be hitting this GraphQL Subscription API using Bruno. So I have already opened Bruno. So I am using collection called GraphQL. I am creating a new request here. Click on three dots, new request. Greetings. Subscription. I have copied the URL, pasting it here. Click on create. Now in the query tab, you have to copy and paste this particular subscription. I am saving the request. I am hitting the request. You can see 200 status code and a response like this. So this particular API will be returning greetings in different languages. You can see the hi in different languages, which is returned by this particular GraphQL subscription API. So this is how we can use GraphQL subscription in Bruno. I hope this session was useful for everyone. If you find this session helpful, please consider subscribing the channel. Please like, share, and if you have any queries, please comment on the video. I will be clearing out the queries. Thanks for watching and keep learning.